Hello student, let's see the problem. The ionization constant of HF is 3.2 into 10 power minus 4. So ionization constant, that is going to be Ka, is equal to 3.2 into 10 power minus 4, that is given. Calculate the degree of dissociation of HF. So that is alpha, they are asking degree of dissociation. They are saying HF in its 0.02 molar solution. So concentration they have given student 0.02 molar. Now calculate the concentration of all the species present, like what they are asking H3O plus concentration they are asking student. Then it is asking F minus concentration, then HF concentration. So all the species concentration is being asked in the solution, and its pH is also asking. So actually how many things they are asking student? Here is the alpha, concentration of the three things, and also pH. So dear student, let's try to solve this one. So HF, if you are taking student HF, you add in the water, it is a weak acid, so reversibly it is ionized, so it will give H3O plus, plus it is going to give F minus. Dear student, if you are taking T is equal to 0, when you are talking about T is equal to 0, so its concentration is C and dissociation is 0, 0. And T is equal to, if you are going T equilibrium, so it will be C minus C alpha, and it will be C alpha and C alpha. So Ka, if you are talking Ka, so that is ionization constant of acid is equal to product of molar concentration of product divided by molar concentration of reactant. So these are there student. You can put the value H3O value. You can see H3O value is how much? C alpha student. This is C alpha. This is C alpha. And here HF value how much? C minus C alpha. C minus C alpha. So what it is going to be? C square alpha square. C minus C can be common, 1 minus alpha, right? So this and this one is cancel out. So what is going to left out? Ka is equal to C alpha square 1 minus alpha. Now alpha is very small. Alpha is very small. Very small. So can be neglected. Can be neglected. Where we can neglect student? Neglected in denominator. So what will be there student? Ka is equal to, it is going to be C alpha square. Now what we need to find student? So Ka, now we can put the value and you can get the answer of the Ka, because Ka already given. Ka already given. So alpha, let us firstly you find the alpha. So how can you find the alpha student from the above equation? Alpha square is equal to Ka by C. So alpha is equal to, it is the root of Ka by C. Ka value they have given student. How much value they have given? Now you see the Ka value. Here they have given 3.2 into 10 power minus 4, and C value they have given student in the question here 0.02. 0.02. Dear student, uh, you can remove the decimal. So how can you remove the decimal student? You can multiply this by 100, and this is also by 100. So it will come 320 into 10 power minus 4, and here is it will come 2. This will be in the root. So dear student, you see here, this will be, can be cancelled. 160 will come student. 160 into 10 power how much student? 4. Now let us try to solve this one. How can you be able to solve this? So you can let it be the 160 student, and multiply by 10 power minus 2, we can put the square. So with this square, for this one, this is cancel out. So how much it is going to be? It is the 160 student. 160 root of 160 into, it is going to be 10 power minus 2. Root of 1. So now, if you solve this one, if you solve this one, root of, if you are going to calculate the root, so 160, it is coming to be how much student? 1 2.6. 1 2.6, because 12 square is how much? 12 square is, it is the 144. So 126 into 10 power minus 2. So alpha is equal to, it is going to be 0.126. This is the alpha value student. And here, if you can calculate here, the you can place the 160, and then you can calculate the value of the root 160, right? Now here, another things we have to find now: concentration of all the species, all the species. See, one thing I am showing here, you may be confused, amazed that why sir is writing 12.6 for root of 160. So for that, let me tell you how I wrote here. Calculation. Here you go for calculator. Clear history. We need to know the root value. Root 160. How much coming? 12.6. So that value I wrote, student, actually. So this is the 12.6. This value is as it is, right? So kindly do not get confused here. Concentration of all species, H3O plus. If you take H3O plus, so here is H3O plus in the initial equation. How much is there? H3O, C alpha. So we are placing here how much? C alpha. C they have given 0.02. Alpha we have calculated 0.126. So how much it will be, student, if you solve this one? So it is coming 2.52 into 10 power minus 3 molar. F minus concentration, if you are going, that is also C alpha. C is 0.02, alpha is 0.126. So it will coming 2.52 into 10 power minus 3 molar. Now, and we are having HF. So HF is how much, student? C minus C alpha. This is their, student. Okay. C minus C alpha. So C is 0 point, it is coming 0.2, and here is again, this will be the negative, student. This we have to subtract this one, sorry. Let me erase first. And minus C alpha value, this is the C alpha value, 2.52 into 10 power minus 3 molar. So dear student, if you subtract, how can you subtract? This is the subtraction is itself little bit tricky one. 0.02, and then you simplify this one, student. So decimal will run down the 3 digit here, 0.00252, student. So you subtract this one, so the value whatever coming, student, 1.748 into 10 power minus 2 will come, right? So here I am directly writing is 1.748 into 10 power minus 2. Let me tell you here little bit in detail, otherwise you may get confused. So how I am writing this value? Use the calculator here. I am clearing this one, clearing history. See, so how much we are having, a student? 0.02 minus 0.00252. So how much coming, student? 0.0174. So 0.0174. So if it is coming, it was 0.0174. So scientific notation, if you are putting, so 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 we can write like this. So this is the molar. It's a very simple student, nothing to get confused here. Now we need the pH. Lastly, they are asking the pH, dear student. pH, how to calculate pH, student? Minus log H3O plus, right? So minus log H3O plus, student, H3O plus, you see H3O plus 2.52 into 10 power minus 3. 2.52 into 10 power minus 3 molar. So now log A into B, this is, so minus, here is the log 2.52 into what will be there is to, and A into B. So what is A plus B? So plus log 10 power minus 3. So now minus, here is log 2.52. You can say y- you have to check in the value of where you have to check, student. Log 25 in column 2. So here you see, student, log 2.52. Log 2.52. How much coming, student? Minus 0.9434. 0.9434. Wait, student, log 2.52. Log 2.52. How much is coming? 4010, student. 4010. That was wrong. 4010. So here we are mentioning 4010. I don't have the log table, otherwise I would show you, because we have to check in the 25 column and in table number 2. So log 0.4010, and here it will be a log n, so 3 log 10. Let it be like that. So you multiply by negative sign, so minus 0.4010 plus 3. So it will be, value is coming to be, student, 2.598. This is the pH, student. So this is very simple, student, this question. Thank you very much for watching. You can check the answer. Thank you.